My name is Max. One day I was enjoying the view, minding my own business, and out of nowhere, Pitbull Jack came and bit and chewed my leg. I needed to learn self-defense, so I practiced this martial arts. It didn't work. Can it always beat me? So I practiced a new way of self-defense, and now they call me Tactical Pro Fighter.
Hey Max, what are you doing with those 357 Magnums?
People are pointing out this YouTube gun channel guy who says, this gun fits my hand better than this one. I'm just trying to figure out what is the joke about.
Ask viewers to explain it in the comment section. You're writing a letter to Santa? People don't use letters no more.
But I don't know his email address.
Okay, now tell me, have you been a good dog this year? Or are you in the naughty list?
Well, let's see. I guard the house. I prevent the bad guys from coming in. And if anybody approaches the house, I always give you notice. I also remind you to bring the plastic bag, just in case I do my thing. You could pick up after me. And that way I don't ruin anybody's day by having them step on my doo-doo. Yeah, I think I've been a good boy.
Very well. So, what are you gonna ask Santa for Christmas?
Check this picture. I want a Smith & Wesson M&P AR15. But I haven't been able to decide which one I want. They both look awesome.
Definitely awesome. Yeah. Now, basically, you're looking at the same gun. The upper one is the model Sport 2. The one on the bottom is the model T for tactical. But they're practically the same gun. When you start checking the details between the similarities and differences, that's when people start questioning if it's worth an extra $440.
It's not like it's your money. Santa's the one who's gonna get it, and his elf, they're the ones who are gonna build it.
Max, times have changed. The elves, they are members of the labor union. They get paid by the hour. They get productivity bonuses, health insurance, dental. At the end, everything comes down to money.
Let me see if I get what you're trying to say. Both models shoot the same bullet, same capacity, same barrel length. Overall length is the same. Gas-operated semi-auto, both of them. The weight, that doesn't matter, that depends on the accessories. Now, the real difference here is the barrel twist. That's the real difference. But that doesn't make one gun better than the other. The only thing that it means is that you gotta be careful which bullet weight and length you will choose to keep it stable. And that's only important if you're gonna be shooting more than 100 yards.
I could say I agree with most of your analysis, Max. But at the same time, I have to say that the barrel twist topic itself, we could do a whole video about it. There is a lot of debate and many different angles in the gun community discussions.
We don't have a chimney, so let me put my sock here in the door so Santa could see it and fill it with gifts.
I don't think a rifle is gonna fit in that socks.
But a whole bunch of ammunition will.
And talking about ammunitions, we already established that the length and the weight of the bullets are going to be working better, some of them with a 1 in 7 or 1 in 8 or 1 in 9 barrel twist. Now, we also established that this was the only major difference between the two guns. And is it a $440 difference? I don't know, you be the judge of that. Now, let's talk about the looks. The looks, well, they look practically the same. Major differences, what can we say? The T model has iron sights. Well, eventually you're gonna jump up to optics, laser, red dot, all three in one, like in this case, right? The other major difference that we could see is the quad rail. But it's $140? No, here you have the same quad rail for only $50. And you could do it yourself. Or you could choose any other cool different rails that you could see in the market, and none of them are $440. Hey buddy, at the end, which rifle are you gonna ask Santa to bring you?
Right now, I just want to sleep. I'll finish the letter later. It's a season to be jolly, la 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 la, woof woof. It's a season to be jolly, la 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 la, woof woof. Woof woof. Find out who is the guy on the YouTube gun channel that says, "This gun fits my hand better than this one," and put your comments in the section below.